What the hell, bro? Oh, shit. Payak. Puri ng pangungusap ayon kayarian. Title. Payak. I'm copying, guys. Hug. Nayan. Okay. Tambalan. Tambalan ng kapal. Next. Isang dalawa lang ang tinatalakay. Isang diwa lang ang tinatalakay. Okay, na ito ay maaaring I'm copying this in my Filipino notebook, guys. So it's gonna be a long video. Maaaring may payak. By the way, I'm in the Philippines, guys. I live in the Philippines. I'm in grade 5. I'm a grade 5 student. I'm copying this. This is our homework. May payak o tambalang. Simuno at panaguri. Simuno at panaguri. Yo! Si Maria Cobra. Ay nanalo bilang ikalawang pangulo ng organisasyon. Maria Cobra wins nanalo bilang ikalawang ng organisasyon. Organization. That's what it means. Si Maria at kanyang ina ay nanalo sa election. Wins the election. Masipag at porsigido si Maria Cobra. Gonna line there. Masipag at porsigido si Maria Cobra. Porsigido si Maria Cobra. Why she named Cobra, bro? Tambalan. Okay, that's next. Oh, it's gonna be lonely. Wait. Oh, I was right. Nag. Tambalan. Wait, what was that? Payak. This was payak. Payak. Okay. Okay, the next one is Tambalan. Tambalan. Write that down. What is that, bro? Oh my god, the chicken is so noisy. Nagtataglay ng dalawang kaisipan o higit pa. O higit pa. Okay, done. The next one is buo, binubuo. This is maybe binubuo. Binubuo. Ang dalawa. O higit ng payak na pangungusap. Pangpayak. Na pangungusap. Okay, then go. Ginagamitan ito. Ito ng pangatnig. Yo, I don't know what is that under there, like this thing, but if I zoom out, I can see it more clearly. Okay, let's go. Na makatimbang. Saka o ni maging at iba pa. Walang sinuman karapatan na saktan ng bawat isa. ko pala mag-asin. Bye guys.